Assalamu alaikum. If you are new in Istanbul or you're just here for a visit, you will definitely need a program or an application to go around the area. So in this video, I'm going to show you how Mobiett App works. This is the icon. You click on it, you get the home screen. We have several options. One of the options, which is at the top, tells you search the bus stop or the bus line. If you know the name of the bus stop, you click on it. For example, I have two searches, recent searches. I'm going to choose the second one. I click on it. It tells you which buses go over there. Now, click one of them. If I click here, sometimes you'll get like bus line announcements. It tells you, for example, this bus was cancelled or this road is closed. So I'm going to close that. I'll check, first of all, it tells you where you are. So in my case, you are close to this bus stop, which is Başak Şehir Birinci İtap. And then you want to go to Mobiett Boulevard. We have two stops, which is this one. And you see the line, the bus stops of that bus that you chose. If we go back, for example, we have 78F. It also goes there. Also, we have some announcement over here. For example, the first one says that Başak Şehir Metro Kent Kalkışlı at this time is not going to be done, which means that 78F at that time is cancelled. Also, you look over here, it tells you where you are. You are close to this bus stop, which is Arturo Beşinci Kısım, and then the Mobiett Boulevard is one stop away. So, this is the road where the bus is going to go. Let's say that you always use this bus, which is 78F. The name is written at the top. You can click on the star with the plus sign. When you click on it, it's added to your favorite list. If we go down to the menu, I have home, favorites. Go to favorites. This is it. 78F. You'll always click on it and you see the road or the stops. Let's say that every day you use this bus, you can put an alarm. Look at the menu below. You have favorite. Next to it is alarms. You click on alarm. Click on the plus sign at the top. It tells you where do you usually go. What's the line that you want to use. You can write the name of the bus, 78 and F. 78F. That goes this direction. Which direction do you want it to go? Are you going to in the direction? Are you going to Metro Kent side or Fener Tepe side? Let's say Metro Kent. Now here, it tells you, select the bus stop you want to set alarm for. Where do I want to go? Let's say Başak Bazar. I want to go to that stop. This is the name of the stop. You press OK. You say, I go usually every Thursday, Sunday, and Saturday. You go back. And when do you want the application to notify you? Before 5 minutes? For the bus arrives in 5 minutes, 10, 15, usually let's say 25 minutes. If you click time interval, it tells you select the notification sending start time. When do you want the notification to start? Let's say you go usually at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You want the alarm to start at 3. You select. You choose 3, let's say. Press OK. When do you want the alarm to stop? Sending end time, let's say at 3:30. 3:30. And you stay safe. So this alarm will give you a notification before 25 minutes between the two time intervals that you chose. And we're assuming here that your ride is at 4 p.m. Back to home. This is the first one, which is search bus stop or bus line. Now the QR code. The QR code, you scan the barcode which is on the stop. So let's say you are waiting for the bus on a certain stop. There you will have like a barcode on one of the sides. You just scan it and it will give you when will the buses come. Now I'm not on the stop. I will not use it. How to go? You want to see how to go to a certain place. You have your location. Where do you want to go? Let's say Metro Kent, which is a little bit far. Metro Kent. This one. Now, when do you want to arrive? You choose. When do you want to arrive there? Arrival, you choose the time. Now let's start with the prefer metro. It gives you some options. It tells you to go there, you have to use this metro. This is only for metros. It's M3A. Then, minimum transfer. You don't want to use 2-3 buses. The minimum transfer between the buses. You want to transfer one time. This is the minimum transfer. You just have 98 and the other options. Minimum walking. You want to go walking to that place. So it tells you minimum walking is 17 minutes. And then you have to take the 146M. Or the second option, you walk. And then you have these two buses, 30 minutes and so on. So the minimum walking is the first one. The minimum minutes to walk. As soon, which is you're in a hurry, the one that takes you to that place faster, you have to walk and go to bus number 98. Then the second option is you walk, then 78F, then you walk. This is 24 minutes. The first one was 16 minutes, as soon. How to go? We're done with this. Now we have schedule. You want to see the schedule of the buses. I'm going to type, let's say, 98. This is the number of one of the buses, 98. It tells me on weekdays, this is the departure time. Saturdays and Sundays, they are all the same here in this case. In the weekdays, look here, we have 5:35, and then the next bus will be 5:50. Then 6 o'clock, then 6:10, then 6:20. 7 o'clock and so on. It's like every 10 minutes. Saturdays and Sundays are the same, but also they can be changed according to the number of the bus. This is the schedule. We have nearest bus stop, which I use a lot. You are in a place, you want to see the nearest bus stop that is close to you. You click on it. You have several options. Now what I do is, because sometimes look at the second one, you have here Birinci Itab Jami and also Başakşehir Birinci Itab Jami. So which one do you choose? To make that easy, go to map view and you wait for it to zoom. It zoomed. I look over here. I want to go, or I want to use this bus stop, this one over here. I click on it. When I click on it, I see all the buses numbers that pass over there. So I click on it. It tells me that this bus passes 89C and 146B and 89C. They are written at the top. So let's say I want to use 89C. I just click on it. It tells me that after 11 minutes, a bus will pass. And then after 30 minutes, another 89C bus will pass. We have a star at the top. When you click on the star, you go to favorites. And now we have two buses that we use a lot. And you just click over here. Let's go back. Also, you can set an alarm before 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on at the bus stop that you choose. You can set an alarm. And here you can choose from which stop you want the alarm to work. Which stop and which bus. Here, in our case, we chose 89C. And Metrocan Taksim, let's say stop. You set an alarm. We go back. What other options do we have? We have Istanbul card top-up points. If you click on it, refresh, I'm just swiping down. It will give you what top-up points are near to your house. Let's say I have one which is 167 meters away. And so on. This is the first one, is the closest one to my area. So this is the top-up points where you can recharge your card. We go back. We have the favorites option, which are the buses that we use a lot. We have the alarms. When you use a bus frequently, just set an alarm for specific days. Or when you use it every day, or when you have an appointment, just set an alarm to be notified about when the bus will arrive before time. We have here your profile where you can write your name and so on. It's okay, I did not fill them up. And you have the menu about this program, announcements, news, and so on. Maybe you'll not use that a lot. So this was a summary about the Mobiett App application. Hope you found it useful, and if you know someone who will benefit from it, feel free to forward the video. Assalamu alaikum.